back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make Smashburger Smash Sauce. Alright, let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have a half cup of mayo, quarter cup of yellow mustard, 2 teaspoons of pickle juice, 2 teaspoons of chopped dill pickle, and 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Alright, pretty simple recipe. You just put your mayonnaise right in there, your mustard, the dill pickle juice, and then the oil, and just basically mix it up real well. There it is. I'm gonna let it sit in the fridge for a while. I got some French fries cooking. We're gonna get those out, do our photo shoot, and then we'll come back and taste this sauce. What a beautiful photo shoot. Let's go in here and give this a taste. You can see how creamy that is. Now go for the bite. Get the smoothness of the mayonnaise. Got the tang of the mustard. A little bit of that dill flavor coming through. And kind of tangy. Good with fries. I've only been to Smashburger once, and they gave us 1 container of smash sauce for both of our burgers, my wife and I, but I had the Colorado smash burger and I didn't want to mess up any of that flavor in there with any sauce because I love what was on it, so I didn't try it, but I did get the idea to do this. So this is pretty good. I'm shocked and amazed. It's good. I was wondering about it when I saw it in the cup and when we actually went to Smashburger, but it's pretty good. I don't know how it tastes on a burger, but with the fries it's awesome. The recipe is down below in the description box. Don't forget to head over to my free Roku channel where you're going to see more cooking videos and more featured presentations you're not going to find on YouTube, and you can do that by following the link right above me there. Have a good day. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again real soon. Bye bye.